Alright guys, welcome to another beer review, and today we're going back over to the Ebeltoft Gårdbryggeri Mikkeller, and we're having a look at the Jumper Cable 11% ABV double IPA. And I had the Session IPA a few months ago, or a couple of months ago, and that was really fantastic. It was really good. And yeah, so this is a double IPA from those guys. Got this in my Mikkeller December Beer Club box, so refer a link down below if you're interested. Gorgeous artwork, lovely crown. So let's get the beer opened and see what we get. I'm going to try and keep this beer review as brief as possible because I'm actually in a live hangout at the moment. So let's give this a quick pour and see what we get. And look at how that beer is pouring. Oh my word. That is looking absolutely scrumdiddlyumptious so far. Yeah, beer in a glass then. And that is a lovely, hazy, chewy, orangey, yellowy, sort of like, almost like blood orange marmalade. Just look at that. It's just so thick looking. And yes, the glass isn't cleaned properly because somebody else cleaned it, and I never trust other people cleaning my glassware. Anyway, so it's looking fantastic. Hazy, turbid, whatever you want to call it. Let's give it a sniff. No detection of 11% ABV at all. Loads of mango. Loads of tropical fruit vibes, offset with some lovely grapefruit, blood orangey, citrusy tones. Subtle herbal edge. Smelling absolutely wonderful. Let's give it a taste. Cheers. How is that an 11% ABV beer? There's not even like a warming sensation on the back end. Yeah, it's bordering on triple IPA territory, and it's not tasting like that at all. It's got a lovely, gentle, soft, creamy mouthfeel to it. Fruit bowl, and then you get some lovely sort of like citrusy hop characters coming through on the back end. Almost like a sort of like caramel malt flavour as well, mixing in with that. So gentle, so subtle, but yet so flavourful. It's really fruity, it's really sweet. You're not getting too much bitterness on the back end, which I like it. When beers like this have that bitterness on the back end, but this is just such a lovely, well balanced and masked 11% IPA. And boy oh boy can these guys brew really good beers. That's 2 out of 2, which, not gonna lie, this is a 10 out of 10. This is just drinking like a dream. From one end of the spectrum to the other, and they've nailed it. It wouldn't surprise me if the flavour profile wasn't too dissimilar to the session version of this beer. It's the gentleness, it's the subtleties, it's the easy drinking edge, which not always a thing that I like to promote, because sometimes I like high ABV beers to let you know that it's a high ABV beer. But this is a perfect beer to end the night on, because I'm not going to be drinking any more after this one. That's an absolutely wonderful little beer. Awesome stuff. Really is. And I'm looking forward to getting my hands on more of these beers from this part of Mikkeller. So if you tried it, let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. If you've tried any beers that remind you of this one, then recommendations always appreciated. I'm getting a bit of like a fresh mint flavour now on the back end, which is really nice. Almost adds a little bit of like a refreshment factor. It's amazing how refreshing this 11% double IPA actually is. And was that a little bit of... I've just got like flecks of whatever on this... because I'm swag as fuck. Yeah, anyway. That's remarkable how well this beer is drinking. I can't pick out any faults at all. This is wonderful stuff. Absolutely wonderful. So it's a 10 out of 10 from Ebeltoft Gårdbryggeri Mikkeller. Jumper Cable, double IPA. A double IPA should not be this drinkable. It really, really shouldn't. But I'm actually, in this case, I'm really glad it is. So, yeah, let's get all the rest in there. Lovely amount of gunk left on the base of the bottle. But yeah, fantastic stuff. If you get a chance to try it, do your best to give it a go. And if you have tried it, let me know your thoughts, opinions. If you tried anything else from this brewery, then let me know your thoughts, opinions. Are you a fan of Mikkeller? Just bombard me in the comments. Links will be down below to the brewery, as well as the Mikkeller playlist. And of course, if this has tickled your fancy, then I'll put my referral link down below so you can get yourself a nice little discount on your own Mikkeller Beer Club box. Thank you for watching, and I shall hopefully see you later. Cheers.